What's up, New York? Long time no talk. I just got out of work and per usual, I am running late. But anyways, I gotta head downtown to train Muay Thai. We'll just catch up later, okay? We're almost all the way down to Fight Eye, and we're currently riding through Chinatown. It is so hectic here. Like at any moment, I could just get hit by a truck, but it is also the most fun place. Living in New York is maybe soft. I don't get to be an outdoorsy guy whatsoever living here. Like you only get to go like Central Park. Upstairs a square circle. Let's see how it is. A bit nervous, I'm not even gonna lie. Just arrived in the locker room. Just got back from Muay Thai. That was a tough ass workout. This is coming from someone who used to box. I did Taekwondo throughout my like younger years, all the way through my teenage years, and I became like a black belt. We'll just eat dinner real quick, and I guess we'll just catch up later. It's currently, let me touch my watch here, 11:41 on a weeknight. I would say a school night, but honestly, I don't go to school anymore. I'm like in my later 20s, so work night. But I am gonna go take out Tommy, because I'm just gonna forget to take him out and go to bed, and then he's just gonna wake me up at like 3 a.m. to go pee. So let's just take him out now and get it over with. Tommy, come here. Tommy, come on. Let's go. We're gonna go on a walk. Are you excited? Yeah, baby. Everyone thinks you're a girl because of the light purple. I gotta get you a more manlier color. But my elevator in New York City literally goes down at 1 mile per hour. We're still not down. It's been like a freaking minute. I know I live on the 10th floor, but come on. You have to keep a really good watch on Tommy because if there is like any sort of food on the ground, he will be eating it. It's like 11:45 right now, walking around the financial district of Manhattan. I feel pretty safe. Of course, I'm like a 6'1", 210-pound male. There are definitely like sketchier, worse parts of the city to live in. High key, someone right outside my building in January did get stabbed, which if that stuff is happening in Fight Eye, you can only imagine what things are happening in even worse crime places. Tommy is actually being such a good boy right now, sitting down on this ledge with me. My last actual like full YouTube vlog was the entire like last fall in 2024, and now we're basically in fall 2025. So much has happened during that time. I have been making content, but it's been more so like commentary stuff, like shorter stuff that you'll see on my Instagram or YouTube shorts. But I think ever since I've wanted to do YouTube, like I've always looked up to vloggers, the good vloggers, right? Not like your Logan Pauls in the day, actual vloggers that show like cool points of their life, have the confidence to like shoot and do things out in the public, which honestly is so terrifying to me. And it's actually one of the reasons why I'm doing this almost at midnight. I'm still in Fight Eye, so I didn't move. I did get a few new roommates. Your boy actually also surprisingly to some of you, I got a girlfriend during this time, and I've been super busy with her, but it's not even busy, it's just having so much fun. It was actually our 6-month anniversary. She got us tickets to do puppy yoga, which I'm sorry, Tommy. To me, you're a cute puppy, but there were some actual puppies there. My friend Mark is visiting from overseas. We are gonna get an insane lift in a few days. Probably gonna bring him to Crunch, because that's all I can afford, paying all this rent in New York City. Really do miss vlogging. I have to say, it is like one of those experiences where like, it is such a slow burn with content. I work full time, I work out pretty much daily. I have a girlfriend. You cannot put out daily vlogs unless that was like your full-time thing. So you're really only putting out like one video a week. I've made so many short form content videos throughout this year and I've been very happy with them, right? Like they're funny little comedy bits, but to me, like I watch back my like full 10-minute vlogs of like last fall and I just feel like so much more proud of those. I always have had that issue with just not sticking with this. Sticking with like this making weekly vlog content is easily like the hardest thing I've ever done. I'm gonna look back in my like late 30s and 40s, like over a decade plus now, and I'm just gonna say to myself, damn dude, you didn't try to make these vlogs. Definitely harder to get people to follow you because all this vlog content is really just about yourself. Whereas all my commentary content, realistically, I'm in the video, but I'm talking about something that someone else is doing. So inherently that stuff is gonna go viral much quicker than this vlog content. But the whole point is that when you start vlogging, like it takes time, but when you get this like loyal fan base and people start watching your videos because they like you and your life, it's just gonna matter so much more, and it honestly sticks with you longer. It's getting really late. I don't feel like I'm doing much now. Like I'm not showing you a lot about New York City. I mean, just to show you guys a little bit, this is the financial district. Realistically, the financial district is dead as hell on the weeknights. And people say that to me, like, why do you live in Fight Eye? It's so dead. Yeah, I don't go out in Fight Eye, but it's so close to everything else, like West West Village, East Village, Lower East Side, that I'm able to go to those locations so quickly. Like, I could even walk to those areas. Me and Tommy have to get to bed. I'll catch you tomorrow. Guys, we got Mark here. We had a little bit of a night out last night.
A little bit is just a word.
So now we're gonna go lift. Of course, nothing can be easy in New York. The gym by me is not that good. So we're gonna be going to a gym by Union Square. It is so much better than the crunch down here. We're gonna get that like hour lift in. Mark, what are we lifting?
Back, shoulder, like the back portion of our shoulder and the bicep.
Mark's been here for like a week now. How are you liking the subway in New York?
Like, this is the biggest place with the odds of being stabbed in your life is fucking insane.
We're on the subway at like noon, so like relatively safe right now, but he is right. Like, if you're on the subway like past 2 a.m., it is just a beautiful day in New York City. One thing I told Mark is, like, if you want to do anything fun here, you gotta go early. Like, it's a Saturday at 12:40 right now, and it is packed everywhere you go. Yo, Unregular Pizzeria. But look at some of the slices here. They got like the craziest different slices. They got like one thing with a big like cheese ball on top. And he's a pizza guy too, bro. I don't want to, we're getting Indian food after, but like, bro, you would like that. First thing that we're doing, lat pull downs.
So we're gonna do some lat pull downs. So we have a bigger, wider wings. We can fly from the World Trade Center.
He does like a reverse pyramid type thing where you go like heaviest first, but obviously we're doing a warm-up set. I'm not used to that, where I do light first, then heavy later. There's no better pump than a back day pump, and you cannot change my mind. Okay, next up on the back menu, damn, I'm actually kind of looking big right here. We're doing some rows. Mark's getting it set up. This actually feels great that I don't have to do any of the setup.
For the movement, you want to side next to your body. You want to hit the lats with a roll movement. A lot of people, they do like this. It's more shoulders.
Yeah. Usually don't sweat this much just lifting, but of course, when I'm working out with Mark, I gotta have my A game. Staying in the bed all day on a Saturday? Definitely not. Get a good lift in, and then we go get to eat some good Indian food. What's better? So we're doing back of the shoulder lift here. Wait, let me get over here so you guys can see Mark. It's a movement like this. So we're getting back in here. Very good for people with shoulder injuries like myself. Mark loves the single arm stuff. I don't do it enough. Clearly, maybe I should start, you know, like.
Go back.
I just don't do arms enough. I don't know why. I feel like I hit arms and doing other things, but clearly like I don't isolate them enough. Mark, show them the Bayesian curls. Never done these in my life. We were staying in like the same area doing all this. We're trying to be as resourceful as possible in a packed gym in New York City.
So what we're gonna do with this workout, you wanna stretch your biceps as much as possible. It's a lot of tension, so you can get injured really quick if you don't do the right method.
Thank you. Killer gym lift. You get a good lift in, then you get to eat like hell after, right?
It's not always. It all depends what you want to get. Like, if you want to get big, yeah, it's a dirty mass, and you can get big of it, but you also gain a lot of fat. Track all your calories.
My Fitness Pal, dude. I'll tell you, it's been my best thing lately.
Best shit ever.
Should we get a little slice?
Yeah, we have to.
Damn, this shit looks so good. I don't get a bad slice here. Either, bro, this one looks unreal. I might get that. I think I got that one last time. They usually have a ball of it on there. We're gonna get it to go. Thank you. Oh, we can eat it here. Unregular Pizza by Union Square. My Fitness Pal is gonna be like, why the fuck are you eating this? They used to have like this slice though, with cheese where it's a big ball. I kind of miss that. It's also very good. Mark is one of the fastest eaters I've been told, right? I'm also a very fast eater. This is very solid. Not cheap, super worth it. What are you giving it 1 out of 10?
Solid 9.
We made a new friend over there as well. Let's get out of here. Not many people get a little appetizer before a big lunch. During the week, I eat very healthy. I count my calories. Then I feel on the weekend, dude, like, as long as I try to stay within the calories, I try to be fine.
Not all calories equal to each
Yeah, I know.
Calorie doesn't mean healthy, but healthy doesn't mean low calorie.
Exactly, because you're not getting nutrients and things like that. Go down here. Subway time.
Yo, you down for an ice cream later?
Dude, if Mark lived in New York City, I would be 500 pounds. At Union Square Station, we gotta head back down to Five Eye. We'll see you in a minute. On our way to Daisy Gully. It's in East Village. It's gonna be some really good Indian food. We have all the guys right there, walking pretty fast. We're pretty hungry. So good. We got done with the Daisy Gully Indian restaurant. We're currently walking 45 minutes right now to try to walk off whatever we just did. At any point of this said walk, I could very well puke on Justin or anywhere in the street. This guy's going insane, dude. Just arrived at my friend Kendrick's new apartment in the financial district. He's gonna give us a little tour. Let's check it out. Whoa. A bit nicer than my apartment. Loft vibes up there. Mayor, good luck going downstairs. This is like 10 feet. In-unit washer dryer is the most important thing. That's another bedroom. Pool right here, looking very nice. Some lounge chairs. Wow, people swimming. Kendrick, you didn't do bad. For only $22,000 a month rent, you know, you could live here too. I gotta start working harder at my job. I live in Five Eye too. My building is so tiny, you can't even see it. Use a Jersey out there. You probably could see the Statue of Liberty, kind of. Make a lot of money in New York. You could live in places like this where the amenities are just insane and you don't need to pay for a pool membership, a gym membership. It's just all in your building. Damn, is it nice to be rich in New York City? I am not there yet. What are we doing, Jessica? Why don't we live out here? I mean, we definitely got the money, right? It's just because we don't want to. We would be living large there. You could look down on all the poor people like me down there. Whoa, look at Stone Street. I want to say every Saturday they're starting to do like Oktoberfest. Kendrick, you're gonna get a girlfriend living in this building. You might get several. No. If Jeff Bezos' daughter's living anywhere in New York, it's in this building. I'm gonna be here every day. I'm just kidding. This feels like a meta office. Look at this. You have like little co-working rooms. If you're fully remote, a building like this makes so much sense. This is a big conference room. Guys, sit down. First matter of business. How can we all afford to pay rent here? Justin, any idea?
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. Okay, Kendrick, what do you think? Forgery. Umair, corruption. For me, sports gambling. We're not even done. We haven't seen the gym yet. We're gonna have like literally a Thanksgiving dinner right here. Oh, pool room in there. I don't love the color of this couch. I have no idea what this stuff does. Pretty big gym in here. This place is gigantic. Real squat racks. Yeah. Okay. Let me see that ass to grass. Hard to do it in jeans. The whole point is I think you do it like for a lot of reps, right? Probably like a minute straight. You're just running back and forth. Who's gonna stop first? You have a bet, Jessica? Yeah. Doesn't even stop there. Now we're in the yoga studio. This is like really cool. Can you lift that up? Wait. I know you're gonna drop it. How do we do this? She's a ballet girly. Plie. Oh, you could actually, all right, Rana, you got it. We're doing a yoga contest. Kendrick, pretty good. Jessica, okay. Ron it. Pretty flexible, not bad. Justin, A++. See that in the bedroom? I'm gonna break it off. Wait, straighten it, do it again. Jessica, help him. I heard that. So it's Sunday in New York City, and I'm dressed like this, not because I work. If I did, damn it, I would literally quit. We're actually going to New Jersey for a big wedding. Got Jessica in the beautiful yellow dress behind me. Jessica, I was just saying how good you look, damn. I have a yellow tie to go along with her dress. We're on that boat here. Don't jump out, Jessica. Ooh, all right, we're looking nice here. Oh, it feels good being driven in the back. Thank you very much for the ride, miss. We're cooking on this thing. Leaving the parking lot. Look at this view right here. It feels like VIP, Jessica. I'm not even gonna lie. This is truly beautiful. Damn. Beautiful ceremony, right, JR? Our friend who's the best man, Jessica was joking that he would drop the ring, and he literally did.
First he handed the officiant the rings tied up together. He didn't untie them. Then he untied them and dropped one.
Yeah, done, yeah! Birdo!
You are chilly. Here, take my sweater.
Somehow just made it back to New York City. It is currently around 12:30 a.m. and I'm super beat. I love going back to New Jersey to see like high school friends, but going back and forth from there to New York in one day is just a lot. It was such a super cool wedding. I'm eternally happy for my good friend Berto and his new wife Sabrina. I hope for them eternal happiness, just an awesome marriage going forward. I just made it to the West Side Highway, which is so much safer than going on the streets of New York. This was a pretty fun week of vlogging for the first time since literally a year ago. I can easily say I'm super rusty, but I'm just glad to be getting in front of the camera again. I feel like the week started off pretty slow, and then per usual, my weekends are always just hectic, and by Sunday night, I'm so dead. On Monday morning when I'm sitting at work, I'm like, damn, I'm really glad I did all that. I can't wait to keep making more of these videos, and now I just hope I get back to my apartment in the financial district all in one piece. And without further ado, I hope to see you guys in the next video. If there is a next video. Peace!